Orlando Executive, 6753 Whiskey.
November 6753 Whiskey, Orlando Secretary.
Yes, sir. I am about 11 miles north of the airport, and I just ran out of fuel on one tank, so I need to go straight to the numbers.
53 Whiskey, are you declaring an emergency?
No, sir. I'm just prevention.
53 Whiskey, Roger, so would you like runway 13?
13 will be fine.
53 Whiskey, Roger, proceed direct from runway 13, wind 120 at 12, gust 15.
We'll go straight to 13.
Executive Tower 1598 Romeo.
Number 1958, correction, number 1598 Romeo, Orlando Secretary.
That flight that just called, that flight to break off or follow him?
Number 98 Romeo, where is your location, sir?
We're right behind him, 98 Romeo.
Number 98 Romeo, confirm you're in trail of 53 Whiskey.
I'm following 35 Whiskey.
Number 98 Romeo, Roger, if able, just make a right 360, re-enter, you can also enter a final for runway 13.
Right 36 and the final for 13, 98 Romeo.
Good afternoon, Executive Tower, Sky 5107 Foxtrot, holding short, runway 7, ready for departure.
5107 Foxtrot, Orlando Secretary Tower, on departure on left head, suggesting heading of 270, runway 7, clear for takeoff.
Fly heading 270, runway 7, clear for takeoff, 5107 Foxtrot.
Mayday, going down 53, 6753.
Number 53 Whiskey, confirm you still able to make it to the airport?
Negative, already engine off.
Number 53 Whiskey, confirm you said Mayday, confirm that you're still able to make it to the airport.
No airport.
November 98 Romeo, are you still able to keep eye on 53 Whiskey, currently to your 1 o'clock for 1.5 miles at 1,500 descending?
98 Romeo is looking, we lost them on the turn, but we're looking, 98 Romeo.
Sky 13 Tower. Sky 13 Tower. Sky 13, I have an aircraft that just had Mayday that's about 3 miles north of your position. Are you able to go on scene to make sure the aircraft is okay?
Confirm, left turn, 3 miles north, keep an eye on me, I'm on the way. He called that his engine restarted. 98 Romeo.
Engine is going on and off.
Angel, can you still make it to the field?
No.
Where you at?
November 98 Romeo, that traffic, your the wingman is current to your 1 o'clock for a half mile at 1,500 orbiting. Sky 13, the traffic that needs you to have decided is current to your 1 o'clock for 3 miles. You just lost them on the radar.
Roger, on the way, 13.
Tower, Sky 9, can we be of any assistance?
Sky 9, Sky 13 is going on site, sir, but thank you for that.
Not a problem.
I'm Joe Terra Foxtrot, man outside of class 4, potential proof.
Outside Bravo, frequency of proof, 5107 Fox.
98 Romeo, where your current location, sir, are you able to make a 360 in orbit in that area?
Yeah.
That was his last sign up for the target.
We're over 360.
Orlando Executive, 53 Whiskey.
53 Whiskey Tower.
I am on the highway. I made a hard landing crash.
Number 53 Whiskey, confirming that you're on the ground now?
On the ground.
13's in now.
Got 13, Roger, sir. The accident can potentially be to your 1 o'clock, 1 or 2 o'clock for about 1 mile.
Roger, I'm happy.
Number 53 Whiskey, how many souls was on board? Is this you?
Yeah, it's the for 98 Romeo for whiskey.
Roger.
Number 98 Romeo confirmed he said he had one soul on board.
Romeo, one person, 98 Romeo.
Number 98 Romeo, are you able to give me a general location for 53 Whiskey?
I have not been able to see him. I'm right here by 2. I believe he got to be close to there somewhere.
Sky 13, your current location when I last had him on my radar. Are you able to see him up on the ground? Say he had a hard landing on the highway.
Roger, 13's looking. Joy. Yes, 53 Whiskey is on the highway.
You're close to what?
Sky 13 still don't have the aircraft in sight yet, sir?
94. If there's aircraft reported on I-4, I'm here I-4 and 436. I got no joy and no slow traffic. Is the aircraft maybe north of here?
I got traffic. I got airplane on site. It's right by the Mayday interchange.
It's north of my position. I'm on the way, 13.
Executive Tower, it seems to be okay. I would like to head into the airport so I could drive over there.
98 Romeo, Roger, enter a left base for runway 7.
Let's 98 Romeo.
Sky 9 traffic, 1 o'clock, 2.5 miles.
No, I don't. We're working.
Is a
But there was one soul on board.
Grumman, southbound at 1,200.
Sky 9's looking. Thank you.
Grumman, 98 Romeo, number 1, runway 7, clear to land, wind 110 at Niner.
98 Romeo, clear to land.
Number 53 Whiskey, do you have the helicopters in sight? It should be north of your position orbiting. Remember, 98 Romeo, start your VFR descent, sir. You're in a Bravo.
Starting my descent, 98 Romeo, apologize.
Tower, Sky 9, we're no joy on the traffic yet.
Sky 9, Roger.
That's it's in the interchange of I-4 and Mainland Boulevard. It will be on that will be the north side.
Sky 9, Sky 13, you copy that? He's be on I-4, the Maitland interchange on the north side?
Yes, sir. 9's headed that way. 13 reports the aircraft here inside.
Sky 13, you said you had the aircraft in sight?
Affirm, 13.
Thank you.